everyone, I'm Cicely. Today, I will introduce our R&D department and production strengths for you. Okay, let's check out today. This is our Ultrasound R&D department. With years of independent research and development, our Ultrasound has improved greatly in these years. And in all aspects of concept design, image technology, and the component R&D. In addition to focusing on ultrasound diagnostic system, Dali is also actively engaged in the research and development of ECG, patient monitors, DR, and other fields. The life science R&D department is mainly focuses on ECG and patient monitors. At present, our first and second generation ECG and patient monitors have won a good reputation and good performance in the market. DR R&D department is our newly established, and so far we have launched portable DR and dual column DR, and with all of them with very good price in the market.